बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, पाक टीवी 24 के साथ में हूँ आपका मेज़बान अनवर। नाजरीन, इस वक्त जलसे में मौजूद हूँ। यहाँ पे पीटीआई के जितने भी सपोर्टर्स हैं वो यहाँ पे मौजूद है। मज़ीद मैं आपको बताता चलूँ कि यहाँ पे एक फॉरेनर है जो इस वक्त जलसे में मौजूद है, उनसे बात करेंगे। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम टू पाकिस्तान and what message you will give to Pakistanis and other people?
Pakistan is a very beautiful country and we enjoyed our trip here, and Imran Khan is the best.
What is the reason for Imran Khan? Can you explain inequality about Imran Khan?
The thing is, basically every Turk, I'm Turkish from Germany, and most of the Turks are a big fan of him because Erdogan is also a big fan of him, and he's the best that can happen to Pakistan.
Okay, tell me, you only like PTI or another like PDM or PMLN, etc.?
I'm just a big fan of PTI and Imran Khan.
Only Imran Khan?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Alaikum salam.
Welcome to Pakistan, sir. And what message you want to give to Pakistani people?
I love the Pakistani people. They are really good people, really nice.
Today you are here in PTI's Jalsa. So why do you like Imran Khan?
I think he's a really great leader because I'm from Turkey and Erdogan supports him, so I support him also. And I think he's the future of Pakistan.
There are also other parties like PDM and 13 other parties and PMLN. Which one do you like in these parties?
PTI.
Only PTI. Yes. So can you further explain about PTI and the reason why you like PTI?
Because PTI is the future of Pakistan. They are really honest people and they will end the corruption in this country. I think that's the reason.
And here you specially came for PTI?
MPA 11 Adnan Bhai is the host. He was a really great host. He showed us all the beautiful places of Pakistan, and I am really looking forward to come again to see this beautiful country again. So yeah.